Hello everyone, we'll be sharing on our program, the Uniyouth Innovators Competition and Exhibition 2024, which will be held on the 21st of August to the 23rd of August this year at L50 UTM. Before that, let me introduce the team members. Firstly, we have ZHEN. Next, we have KWEK, Sam Karyan, and me, Jamie Lee. The main reason why we created this program is to tackle the issues related to the weaknesses of UTM graduate attributes and to enhance these attributes among the students. Here are the 7 UTM graduate attributes, which are communication skills, thinking skills, scholarship, leadership and team working skills, adaptability, global citizen and enterprising skills. To identify the weaknesses of graduate attributes among the UTM students, my group have conducted a survey together. And from this survey, we have identified that communication skills, thinking skills and enterprising skills are the top UTM graduate attributes that the student wishes to improve on. Hence, we hope to develop these 3 most important attributes among the students through our program, the Uniyouth Innovators Competition and Exhibition 2024. In addition to that, we have also gathered students' feedbacks and suggestions to ensure success in our program. The first suggestion made by the students is to organize fun and exciting games during the program. Next is to offer opportunities for mentorship and guidance from the experienced entrepreneurs. And finally is to invite other students from different universities to participate in this program. So a little bit about our program. Uniyouth Innovators Competition and Exhibition 2024 will be organized by the UTM Entrepreneur Club, and this program was created to help students or young people with the skills and knowledge they needed to start and run a successful business.
In the next chapter, now I will explain about the weaknesses of students to UTM graduate success attribute. The 7 UTM GSA that already was just now. And UTM students are usually weak in enterprising skills, thinking skills, and communication skills. As you can observe in the survey result, most of the UTM students think that these 3 skills must obtain, but they also think they are lack of. This is because of the educational system focus, where the educational system that follow a rigid structured approach that may not encourage for the creative thinking or narrow the students' flexibility, as well as lack of hands-on experience that needed for them to develop the entrepreneurship and practical experience. This is the reason why we organize this competition to discover the entrepreneurial potential. If some students who wish to launch a business or working in a company after graduate, however they are lack of the essential skills, then what will happen to them? They will difficult to identify and seize the entrepreneurial opportunity, feel lack of confidence or easy to give up when they facing problems because they are not able to think critically in solving the problems. Besides, UTM students' lack of skills may affect the university's rankings, attractiveness to prospective students, and relationships with the industry partners.
Good day to Doctor, my name is ZHEN. Now I will explain about the activity detail that our group suggests. So our group suggests to organize an activity called as Uniyouth Innovator Competition and Exhibition 2024, which will be conducted at 21st August to 23rd August 2024 at L50 building in University Technology Malaysia, JB campus. So the main organizer of this event will be the Entrepreneur Club, University Technology Malaysia. Okay. And the targeted participants for this event will be secondary student, pre-U student, undergraduate degree student, and also postgraduate students. There are 5 main goals and objectives under this event. So the first main goal is to do a collaboration of the teamwork between the participants to encourage the teamwork together of developing their idea. And the second objective is to provide the opportunity and mentorship and guidance from the businessman, entrepreneur, and also investor. The third one is to provide resources and support to the development of winning concepts. And then the fourth one is to encourage the development of new business that contribute to their local economy. The final one is to showcase the potential of young entrepreneurs to inspire others. Next, I will explain about the organization chart. So the main leader of this event will be led by director and helped by 2 vice director. And under vice director, we also helped by secretary and also treasurer with the many units such as technical unit, activity unit, sponsorship unit, registration unit. Next, I will explain about the activity will be conducted throughout this event. So the main activity that this event will be conducted is competition. And then beside competition, we also conduct workshop, forum, and also carnival booth. Within the competition, there are 2 main teams that can be selected by participants. So the first team is Green Innovator Challenge and another team is Social Good Startup Challenge. And the competition will be conducted in 2 series. So series 1 will be the pitching series, where the participant required to do a presentation in front of judge, and the judge will assess their performance based on the parameter given. And another series is known as the promoting series, where the participant required to set up their booth and promote their product to the public, including the judge. And then the judge involved must be neutral and have professional knowledge in terms of entrepreneur. So the suggestion will be the university lecturer and business company like manager or director company or the entrepreneur. And the targeted competition for this competition will be separated into 4 categories, which are secondary student, pre-U student, undergraduate student, and also postgraduate student. And the participant will be participate in the competition in the group, and each group must have containing 4 members with 1 mentor. And each category will have 3 winners, which are gold winner, silver winner, and also bronze winner. And different category will have the different cash prize for the winners. So this is the cash prize that you can see in the slide. And beside the competition, we also conduct workshop and forum. So there are 2 workshops will be conducted with the title Empowering Business Through Digitalization and How to Create Successful Business Page. And we also conduct 2 forums with the title Engaging New Generation on Student and Employee, and another one is Reality of Running Business. And these 2 workshops and 2 forums, we will invite the speaker and also panel from outside of UTM. Apart from the competition, workshop and forum, we also conduct Carnival booth at L50 where we provide the business to UTM students so that they can run their business at there. So we target to have 3 types of vendor, which are food vendor, food truck, and also company booth. So that's all from me. Next, I will pass to Susan to explain about the tentative program.
Thank you, ZHEN. Now I will present about the tentative program. This is the first day of the tentative program. It is from 8 AM until 11 PM. And for the first day, we will focusing on the workshop lah. We got 2 different workshops: Empowering Business Through Digitalization and How to Create Successful Business Page. For the second day of the activity, we will focusing on the forum and competition with two main groups, which is secondary school and PO, undergraduate student and postgraduate student. The activity is from 8 AM until 5:30 PM. For the last day of the activity, we will start with another forum and the final competition and the closing ceremony for the winners. And we will continue the business and move until night also. Next is about the financial statement. This is our expected income for the food vendors, food truck, company book, competition participant fee, workshop participant, and forum participant. So the total expected income is around 68,000 ringgit ratio. Beside the expected income, we will also estimate the expense. So this overall our expected expense. The total expense is around 52,110 ringgit ratio. We will undergo monitoring and evaluation also. For monitoring, we will undergo face-to-face meeting, update the jobs in the Google Drive and community groups. For the evaluating, we will undergo post-mortem meeting, report program, and feedback from participants.
It's important for students to improve their soft and hard skills associated with the UTM graduate attitude. Enhance the enterprising skill will foster the innovation and entrepreneurial thinking, empowering the students to start their own business or drive innovation within the organization. Our communication skills may boost students' confidence and self-efficacy, express ideas clearly, listen effectively, and make an accurate response. This improves their ability to negotiate and reach agreement in a business or job. Not only students may benefit from the skills, but UTM also get the benefits if they able to produce the skills graduates. They are more likely to form partnerships with the industries, leading to research collaborations, funding, and internship programs. Positive feedback from the employers regarding the skills and competencies of UTM graduates strengthens the university reputation and industry connections. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, we truly believe that our program will be able to enhance these UTM graduate attributes among the students and seek to graduate students with strong disciplinary knowledge as well as skills in communication, teamwork, problem solving, and lifelong learning skills. Thus, will enable our graduates to function effectively in a wide range of social and professional contexts. Thank you.